We waited an eternity for Tesla to introduce the Cybertruck, yet it seems like we won't have to wish for the EV manufacturer to add a fifth design to its schedule. Sources near to the job claim Tesla has notified providers that the brand new cars and truck is code-named Redwood, and will certainly begin manufacturing in June 2025. If it has any type of importance whatsoever, the Redwood name likely mentions the potentially big sales figures the brand new EV could produce, as opposed to its dimension. Insiders described the new model to Reuters as a compact crossover, which suggests it remains in fact the hotly anticipated $25,000 entry-level Tesla. Whether the child EV comes in near to that price, which was mooted numerous years ago prior to a period of high inflation, stays to be seen. However, it will definitely damage the brand name's current least expensive automobile, the $38,990 version 3, by a huge margin and will be critical in Tesla's battle with Chinese car manufacturers. One such firm, BYD, just recently surpassed Tesla as the world's largest producer of electrical cars. Trick to the new design's low price is a new generation Tesla EV platform that dramatically reduces production prices and makes sure to obtain rival brands that are currently rattled by Tesla's capability to cut prices, extremely concerned. The platform won't only be made use of on the infant EV, yet additionally a robotaxi along with the replacements for autos like the version 3 and version Y. Reuters reports that Tesla obtained quotes for the Redwood job last year from vendors when it suggested that once-a-week production volumes might get to 10,000 systems. That's 500,000 autos annually, which would certainly make a massive distinction to the business's overall outcome. Last year Tesla's manufacturing expanded by 35% to 1.85 million, however in May of 2023, CEO Elon Musk stated he was working on two brand new items that can together have the perspective to generate 5 million sales annually. Industry spectators think the child EV will be created originally at Tesla's Texas plant before production is extended to other sites around the globe. They likewise recommend that, offered Musk's tendency to overpromise and underdeliver when it pertains to release timings, some level of production may begin in 2025, as Reuters resources claim. Still, full production won't happen up until 2026.